Hi everyone, this is a quick overview of Salsify and Phrase integration for product information translation, and this is using OneTeg. So we have several products in our system. Let's grab one of them, and then we can easily see that it has English properties assigned. And let's switch to German, and there are no German translations. What we are going to do is now publish this to Phrase by using publish product feature, and we'll pick our channel as Phrase and click publish. During this process, it will take a little bit, but automatically OneTeg will be triggered. OneTeg will grab whatever is decided in that publish channel to publish the content into Phrase. First of all, create a project, then create a job within the project, and the project will be created based on the template available inside Phrase, and the job will include the material that needs to be translated, in this case the product. So let's go to Phrase. We have several projects that completed. Let me refresh my screen. It takes a little bit, so it may take some time. So the project has been created. If you click on that project, you'll be able to see the job that was introduced here. And if I click on the job, you will now be able to see what needs to be translated. And Phrase has already translated this with the AI. So this is already available. And now if I click on one of these items and indicate that this is complete, I can just go to the context node. I'll be able to see the image from Salsify, as well as any of the product information I choose to display here. And I can do the translation, make any changes, select on both. Once I'm ready, I can easily then transition my project to complete it. Once this job is completed, again, behind the scenes, OneTeg will pick up this translation, export all the data out of Phrase, and it will then go into Salsify. And because of the locale defined here, which is German, it will be able to assign the locale back into the right product and the right fields inside Salsify. Let's go back into Salsify. Let's toggle this between English and German. And the German translation is in place. So let's look at OneTeg, what happened. Inside OneTeg, we have a couple flows that we have designed. These are very simple flows. Two flows are active. The first flow, both flows are triggered by webhooks, events from both Salsify side and both from Phrase side. So this is almost real time. And you can look at the publishing products to Phrase flow. You can easily see that the webhook invokes the flow, starts it, we download the JSON representation of that channel data, transform that data to whatever Phrase requires us to do. Afterwards, we create the project and create the job inside that project. It's as simple as that. And then when we look at the direction of Phrase completed translations coming back into Salsify, you can click here and you'll be able to see that the webhook from Phrase is sending us the data. You can see what the job status has changed. And at this point, we can go to Phrase and download the translated file. And we have a configuration here with a condition indicating whether we want this to be written back into the same fields in a different locale, or written to different fields that we have mapped each field to, if that's how you have configured your Salsify.